Hello there humans and fur babies, and welcome back to my channel. I realised in my intro I say hello humans and fur babies, and yet I still haven't done a fur baby DIY. And I worked out between my friends and I, we have 21 dogs and 6 cats. So it's high time I did some DIYs for our fur babies. So today's video we're going to make some doggy toys and cat toys, some beds for our fur babies, and it's pretty much going to be out of all the stuff you already have at home. And we're going to upcycle some of our pet toys as well, because I know my doggos tend to like rip stuffed toys apart, and so instead of just chucking them out, we're going to repurpose them. So yeah, stick around, we're going to make some pet DIYs. Okay, so here's all our doggo toys. We got Lion, we got Bone, we got Teddy Gwyn, we got Three-Legged Pig, we got Hurdy-Gurdy's Tail, we've got Chicken, and we've got Raccoon. And we also have whatever that is. Well, I guess it's a bunny. Anyway, I am going to start with Lion and Bunny Face. And I am going to turn it into one of those creepy, ugly toys, like that monkey toy. That's what I'm going to do. So the first step is to remove the lion's muzzle so I can fit the bunny rabbit ball thing. It's gonna look like a bunny rabbit in a lion costume. I need to patch up all the holes all over the lion that the doggos have created. Fit in the head, and then I'm just gonna hot glue it in place so it's a bit more secure. And look, you may say, hot glue is not good for dogs, but I mean the toys are made out of plastic and dogs eat poo, so what's the difference? So once all the holes have been stitched up, I'm just using stuffing from some of the other reject toys to fill out Bunny Lion's body, and then we're going to stitch his back up, and then he's already created.
Hi, I'm a bunny in a lion costume. I'm about to get massacred by the doggies.
Okay, so this is before. Now I do love the chicken, but the chicken has been repaired so many times. Look, here and here and here and here, and look, it's just got this huge wound on the front. So I'm going to turn the chicken into, I think, just like a little bear head. I took this off him, and these will be little ears. I'll stitch those down actually, like that. So while I was preparing the chicken to be a bear head, I was getting a kind of Fozzie Bear vibe from the Muppets. And I was thinking that I would really like to introduce my kids to the Muppets, because the Muppets were really cool, and Fozzie was super cool. And so now I need to go through all of the scrap fabrics that I've got and see what I can create, because Fozzie's obviously got his cool hat, and he's got his expressive eyes and his big snoz. So it's really going to depend on the fabrics that I've got to see what kind of hybrid Fozzie I can make. I have this leftover upholstery fabric from when I don't know, made something. I thought this could be nice, sort of like tweedy looking hat for him, even though his hat's brown and this is sort of grey, but it's a hybrid. So I'm just using like a bowl to make a template for the top of the hat and the rim, and then I'm just going to do a simple cylinder for the body of the hat and stitch it all together and stuff it. It's got Fozzie's hat, got Fozzie's face. Now I need to make Fozzie's nose. I'm going to take the ear of Teddy Gwyn, because Teddy Gwyn's got massive brain injuries. So I'm going to take off Teddy Gwyn's ears. Let's see if I can create a nose out of that. Fozzie nose, huge. Fozzie eyes. I'm going to use Teddy Gwyn's arms. So I've given him an eyelid and some eyelashes. Now I'm going to do the same for that one. Maybe he doesn't look like Fuzzy, maybe he just looks like a Muppet. He just looks like a Muppet. But that's okay, he's kind of cute. So I filled in the holes on his cheeks where the drumsticks were with the yellow part of Teddy Gwen's ears. But I had to fill in the holes, otherwise stuffing was going to fall out. So now he's got sort of like jaundicey cheeks. Oh well. So the last component of the Fuzzy makeover is his mouth. I had some leftover burgundy fabric and I had some leftover upholstery fabric that I used to make his tongue. And I sort of put that all together and then Fuzzy Hybrid is ready to reveal. Here we go. Here is the completed Fuzzy Bear. Doesn't really look like Fuzzy Bear. Kind of looks a little bit like Ernie with a hat on. Maybe it's Fuzzy's brother? Snozzy. This is Snozzy. Snozzy's still cute though. I mean, if I was a dog, I'd want to rip him apart, wouldn't you? So here is Snozzy and Bunny Lion, the upcycled Doggy Toys. Okay, Tazy. I'm going to put 2 toys on the ground and you tell me which one you like more. Do you like Bunny Lion? Or do you like Snozzy? Alright, well, how about I bring them to you then? Which one do you like? If I just throw them like this. Epic, epic fail.
That's funny.
The next project we're going to work on is collars for our fur babies. The problem I have with my collars is that because we go on the beach all the time and they jingle jangle about, the hole gets worn out and then they fall off and they lose them. So this one broke off. I had to drill another hole. The ring always rusts and it falls off, so I've used a zip tie. This one was double layer and the back one fell off, and so I had to write in the label with one of those old-fashioned label makers. So, I mean, I go through these dog tags probably 2 or 3 a year. Now, I did see on Instagram, this ad came up for, and the whole marketing campaign is this. Are you tired of that loud, annoying noise that the tag makes on your dog's collar? Oh, it's so frustrating. Instead, you can slip this thing over the top that's got all the information on it. I mean, it's a great idea, but the marketing campaign is stupid. Like, I don't know anyone who's ever gone,
oh my god, I'm so annoyed with that sound that my dog's tag makes.
No one has ever said that, ever. Anyway, so it got me to thinking, use fabric paint and paint their name and phone number on it. So if they lose this, all of the information's still on the dog collars. So that's what we're going to do. If you can find some puffy paint, it comes in like a tube. It's easy, you can write with it. I couldn't find that here, so I'm just going to write it on like this. What do you think? Do you like it? You look kind of depressed. What about you? You like it? Pretty serious. Let's do some catty stuff for cat fur babies. Let's make some cat toys. So my friend crocheted these for me, which I didn't film, but I've got a tutorial for a similar fish by this guy.
Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful fish. I hope you like this project.
Click on the link below and follow his tutorial on how to make these crocheted fishies. So I got my friend to put some catnip inside, so the cats are going to like it. And I've got 2 sticks. Fun fact, bundle of sticks is called a faggot. I'm going to put some elastic on here, drill a hole in here, and make a little fishing toy for the catties. Okay, so that's basically it. I mean, that was easy. If you don't want to crochet a fish, you could probably buy like some little stuffed toy fish or whatever, but it's cute, very like old school cat toy. Now I know the cats like catnip because I had the catnip in my studio sitting in a bag and a tomcat broke in the window and peed on it. So that was a nice way to wake up, to the smell of cat wee. But yeah, catnip works. I don't have cats, but my friends do, and so I'm going to gift these to them and see if their cats like them. The next cat item is a hanging cat bed. So I'm going to use an old fan grill and some scraps of fabric, and I'm going to weave the scraps of fabric through the fan grill and make a nice mushy bed, which I'm going to now rip into shreds. Voila! And now I'm going to start weaving into this to make this all nice and mushy for the pussycat. And so on and so forth, alternating colours going around the circle and squishing them down to make them nice and full. So all the weaving is complete. I ended up adding some little wooden beads to the bottom so the cat can play with it, just on some natural hessian. And then I'm going to make a little pillow for the centre, but for now I'm going to string it up over this bamboo ring on all four sides so I have like a hangy thingy. Okay, I need the cushion for here. So decided I'm going to use all the same colours as this, make a little fringy cushion for the middle. I've got these two bits. Now I'm going to make all of these fringy bits. Here's a little cushion, or little fringy bits. It's going to be nice and soft for the pussycat. Now I'm going to stuff the inside. Now this is essentially done. So as you know, I don't have cats, so I'm going to give this to my neighbour who has two pussycats. What's happening? Hi. We're going to put your sister on the beddies. Oh.
Loves it. Loves it. Loves it. Loves it.
So it's been a bit of a spell between me starting to film this video and now. There's been quite a few dramas, and the other thing that's happened is that a dog randomly followed me home from the beach. She just wouldn't leave me alone, and she's now sleeping on my doorstep, and she's pregnant, and her name is Cheryl. And Cheryl is about to give birth to puppies in about 5 days. I don't know why Cheryl chose me to be her birthing partner, because I've never done this before and I don't know that I'm fully prepared for it. However, now I need to make her a whelping box. A whelping box is basically the box that the dog gives birth in and then, you know, looks after the puppies. So I need to make a box big enough for her to give birth and care for the puppies. And I'm also up for removing the membrane, discarding the afterbirth, and cutting the umbilical cord.
That's hot.
Come on, Cheryl, let's go. Come on, round the back, inside. Let's go. Look at your whelping box. Do you want to get inside? Inside. Come on, inside. Oh, good girl, look. Look at you, about to have puppies in your whelping box. Alright, don't tell everyone I'm giving you a treat. That's the only reason you're staying there. But that's how it ended up. It's a good little box for you, Shezzy. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to adopt any one of these 4 little puppos or give Cheryl her forever home. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. I really appreciate it.